Amaechi Muonagor, 20th August 1962 to 24th March 2024, was a Nigerian actor, producer, and comedian. He was nominated for the 2017 African Magic Viewers' Choice Awards for Best Actor. Born in Obosi, Anambra State, a state in the southeastern part of Nigeria, he joined the Nigerian movie industry in Hollywood in 1998 and had starred in many movies including Taboo 1 (1989), Aki and Popo, Karashika 1998, and Aki na Ukwa 2002, Igodo 1999. Amaechi Mmunagor was born in Obosi, a village in Idemili North local government area of Anambra State. He attended St. Mary's Primary School, Obosi, Oraifite Grammar School before he furthered his education at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka UNN, where he studied economics and graduated in 1987. In 1989, after his youth service, Amaechi started working for NAN, News Agency of Nigeria. He left his job a few years later for an acting role in his movie as Akonatakasi in Taboo 1, a Nigerian movie. Amaechi, among other Nollywood stars like Chinyere Winifred, Ebere Okaro, joined Dr. Chris Eke of Word and Spirit Assembly, Ijegun, Lagos, as he marked his 40th birthday back in 2015, celebrating it with Kirikiri maximum prison inmates as well as children at the House of Gold Children's Hospice Orphanage Home in 2020. He said sexual harassment is not peculiar to Nollywood as it happens in every profession. In 2016, it was reported that Amaechi was suffering from diabetes and had left the film industry. He died of kidney failure on 24th March 2024 at the age of 61. Filmography: Taboo 1 (1989), Karashika 1998, Igodo 1999, Aki na Ukwa 2022, His Last Action 2008, Sincerity 2009, Without Goodbye 2009, Most Wanted Kidnappers 2010, Jack and Jill 2011, Village Rascal 2012, Evil World 2015, Ugomma 2015, Code of Silence 2015, Spirits 2016, Ikpeazu 2015, Rosemary 2016, My Village People 2021, Aki and Popo, etc. May his soul rest in peace. Please help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates.